Hi, I'm Rick with BuyToyRadios.com. One of the most popular accessories we sell for Wouxun portable handheld two-way radios is the AA battery case. It gives you the option to use alkaline batteries to power your radio in a pinch. This one, the BAO-005, holds 5 AA batteries and is made specifically for the Wouxun KG905G, KG935G, and KGUV8H. There's just one question. How do you open the case? At first glance, this seems a little confusing and even a bit complicated, especially with the word open and the upward pointing arrows on either side of it as your only guide. But it's really very easy once you know the secret. Here's how to open the BAO-005 AA battery case with a simple credit card in 1 second. All you need to do is take the edge of the card, insert it into one of the 2 notches at the bottom of the case, and twist. The cover pops off in less than a second. Now at this point, you may say, well, that's just fine, Rick. But that's an empty case. What if it's filled with batteries? The result is the same. The cover pops right off. Of course, you can use a small flathead screwdriver if you want, but where's the fun in that? Besides, not everyone walks around with a screwdriver in their pocket, but a lot of people have a credit card. And this time, there's no charge. Now, if you do use a screwdriver, the important thing to remember is don't force it. It's all on the wrist. Just give it a gentle twist, and it's open. Just like that. I'm Rick, and thanks for watching.